I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Kraken Pro. First, ensure your Kraken Pro account is verified to the intermediate or pro level. This verification level is crucial for accessing all trading features and higher deposit limits. Next, you will need to fund your account. You can do this through various methods, including a bank transfer or by depositing another cryptocurrency. Once funded, head over to the Trade section within the Kraken Pro interface to start your purchase. Funding your Kraken Pro account is straightforward. Select your preferred deposit method, such as a wire transfer for fiat currency or a cryptocurrency deposit if you already hold digital assets elsewhere. For fiat deposits, you will typically find bank details to initiate a transfer from your bank. For crypto, generate a deposit address for the specific coin. Always double-check the address and network to avoid any loss of funds. Confirm the amount and be aware of any minimum deposit requirements or fees. Now let's place your buy order for USD. In the Trade section, search for and select the USD trading pair you wish to use, such as USD versus USD. You will then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current best price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. Enter the desired amount of USD you want to acquire, review the order details, and then confirm your purchase. Your USD will appear in your wallet shortly. After successfully buying USD, it is vital to prioritize your account security. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken Pro account to protect your assets from unauthorized access. Regularly review your transaction history to ensure all activities are legitimate and to catch any potential discrepancies early. Keeping your account secure is paramount in the world of digital assets. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.